I'm making this song for all the people who at times in their lives feel bad. You know when you feel like even your blues have blues? If it ain't one thing, it's another. If it ain't one thing, it's another. It's a crazy mixed up world. It's a dog-eat-dog world. Life is full of strife. People just aren't nice. Everybody's talking smack, running games on this and that. Racial resentment adds to discontentment. Talk to any guy, he'll tell you taxes are too high. Books, movies are corrupt. Suicide is way up. Kids are a sorry lot. Some folks say it's cause of pot. Phony ego trips. Wow, everyone has flipped. If it ain't one thing, it's another. If it ain't one thing, it's another.
Yeah. I'm gonna get something to mix this with while y'all enjoy this tune.
Blue carpet rolling soft under my feet. Grand entrance dripping in the heat. Ballroom whisper secrets in the air. Crystal glasses clinking everywhere. Fancy drinks with a smoky twist. Cigar swirling in a velvet mist. But a night to be celebrated. Blue skies painted, stars illuminated, rainbows bending gold in the park. Lucky, lucky this love I've got. Bluebirds singing in a twilight tune. Curtains swaying, kissed by the moon. Champagne
TALK. 1-800-DOG TALK. Hit us up. Yeah. We're taking requests, even while I'm on the road. Shout out to the homeboy JC and the GGL. Compton Red, what up, though? Compton Rick Rock.
Hear the speakers on fire burning. The mic is hot, 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 churning. Your request heard another lesson learning. Got that bass drum thump, 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 yearning. Death row, hit us up now. 1-800-DOG talk. Wow, good vibes don't need no time for a crowd. Death row, wearing a crown. Death row, hit us up now. 1-800-DOG talk. Wow, good vibes don't need no time for a crowd. Death row,
Wearing a crown. Yeah.
Pain and guilt I felt from the things I've done. Win some, lose some. Can't switch sides, gotta choose one. All my niggas free, all our problems gone. Too blessed to be stressed, yeah, yeah, yeah. 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 Told you I would do it big, Told me that it couldn't be done. Told me I should hang it up. Now I'm on another run. Told me I should do it for the love and that it should be fun. Did it more than once. Haven't seen my bed in months. I crush everything I touch. Know the city, every cut. But it's never enough. Used to get all the love. Don't turn on me just because I'm moving a little different than I was. Head down, looking at a sale, said it was drugs. They ain't want me to win the game, put it on difficult. Buy the shit in bulk, get it sold. One night a nigga role model get rolled up. Somebody rich, somebody getting chose. Where I'm from, niggas real proud to get old. We done seen some things, we been here before. We live in the movies, credits roll. Pain and guilt I felt from the things I've done. Win some, lose some. Can't switch sides, gotta choose one. All my niggas free, all our problems gone. Too blessed to be stressed, yeah, yeah, yeah. 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 Happy with all my decisions. If it was up to them, I'd be in prison. Stuck somewhere up in the system. Learn the game well, cause I paid attention. The pain I dismissed. Great when my name get mentioned. When you wanna win, you just play your position. For my own benefit, I've been distant. They don't like your progress, so they reminisce. They'll say that you switched. We frying bigger fish. We hopping out our chick bag with a little wrist. First to admit, I ain't innocent. Snakes in the grass waiting to backdoor friends. Come to an early end. I seen many men. I'm taking chances at a better life. Can't go to bed at night. Not trying my best for a better life. Right or wrong, left or right. Don't turn your back, you might get a knife. Facts, this ain't just advice. Pain and guilt I felt from the things I've done. Win some, lose some. Can't switch sides, gotta choose one. All my niggas free, all our problems gone. Too blessed to be stressed, yeah, yeah, yeah. Too blessed to be stressed, yeah, yeah, yeah. Too blessed to be stressed, yeah, yeah, yeah. Too blessed to be stressed, yeah, yeah, yeah.
Nice.
Yeah. Live from Minnesota, Big Snoop Dogg. Christmas Eve, wouldn't you believe? He keeps a trick up his sleeve. For all the young people out there that didn't know Snoop Dogg was the one, not the two, now you have a clue. I mix red with blue to make it do what it do. Represent, baby.
Mic check, Nick, 1, 2, we back in the zone. Late night vibes on this microphone. Stories unfold like a paperback crime. Flip the page, it's dog time. See you next time, same dog channel, same dog time, just change the channel. Represent strong to the back end, stay cool.
Stay cool.
Words roll out like smoke from a flame. We keep it real, no need for the fame. Death row tails on the rhythm that swing. Truth in the air like a bird wing. Next time, same dog channel, same dog time, just change the pedal. Represent strong to the back, and stay safe, stay cool till we meet again. Peace and love,
Peace and love.
it's all we preach.
It's all we preach.
Life's a wave, so we ride the beat. The world's been slow, and you take your time, so just chill to the next episode and why. Same dark channel, same dark time, just change the path. Represent strong to the back, stay safe.
Represent. It's the podcast. Spread the word. Hit that like and subscribe button. You know what it is. Death Row Records.